What is Microsoft OneNote?
Microsoft OneNote is a flexible digital notebook designed to help you capture, organize, and manage information in one place. Whether you're taking notes, saving web clippings, or planning projects, OneNote keeps everything accessible and searchable across devices. Its familiar interface makes it easy for anyone to start organizing their digital knowledge seamlessly.
Taking notes in any format.
OneNote allows you to type text, draw freehand, insert photos, record audio, and even embed files within your notes. This flexibility means you can quickly capture ideas as they come, regardless of the format. The ability to mix and match content types on the same page helps you organize your thoughts visually and contextually.
Organizing with notebooks, sections, and pages.
OneNote uses a structure of notebooks, sections, and pages, mimicking a traditional binder. You can create multiple notebooks for topics like work, school, or personal projects. Each notebook contains sections, and each section holds multiple pages. This clear hierarchy makes it simple to group related information and find it later with minimal effort.
Powerful search and tags.
Finding information in OneNote is fast and easy. The powerful search feature scans all notebooks, sections, and pages for keywords, even searching handwritten notes and text in images. With tags, you can mark important tasks, reminders, or questions, making it easy to spot and manage key information when you need it most.
Seamless collaboration and sync.
OneNote makes teamwork and access effortless. Notebooks can be shared with others for collaborative editing and brainstorming in real time. Automatic syncing ensures all updates are available on your computer, tablet, or phone. This keeps your knowledge base current and accessible wherever you work, study, or plan.